Greetings from the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Pathology, Pushpagiri College of Dental Sciences. Myself, Dr. Charlene Sara Babu, Associate Professor in the department. Today, I am going to discuss on permanent maxillary lateral incisor. These are the 5 aspects of permanent maxillary lateral incisor. This is the labial aspect, lingual aspect, mesial, distal, and incisal aspect. Now, let me go in detail on each aspect. This is a labial aspect of permanent maxillary lateral incisor. This is a crown portion, which again gives a trapezoidal outline from the labial aspect, and it also has a single conical root. The cervical line demarcates between the crown and the root. This is a mesial outline, and here comes the mesial contact area. This is the mesio-incisal angle. This is a distal outline. Here comes the distal contact area. This is the disto-incisal angle. And see, for the incisal ridge, it is sloping. It is not straight like in maxillary central incisor. This is sloping distally, and it is somewhat round also. Next, this is a lingual aspect. See, the cervical line demarcates between the crown and the root. Here comes a cingulum, and the cingulum is somewhat distally placed for maxillary lateral incisor also. This area is the distal marginal ridge, and this is the mesial marginal ridge. Here again, this arrow indicates the mesio-incisal angle, and this corner is a disto-incisal angle. And the concavity present below the cingulum is the lingual fossa. And we normally say the lingual fossa, the shape of the lingual fossa as inverted V-shaped lingual fossa. Moving to the mesial aspect, there is nothing of much significance compared with the discussion on maxillary central incisor. Again, this is a labial outline of the crown. This is a lingual outline of the crown. This is a cervical line which demarcates between the crown and the root. Here comes the crest of the labial outline. Here indicates the crest of the lingual outline, and this portion, it indicates a cingulum. This here comes, this from here till here is a lingual outline, and this area, it indicates the mesial marginal ridge, and this is the incisal edge again. Going to the distal aspect, again, this is a labial outline, and this is a lingual outline. So cervical line, labial crest of curvature, lingual crest of curvature, and the cingulum, distal marginal ridge, and the incisal edge. And this additional line indicates the tooth is a bit tilted. So some part of the surface, the labial surface and the lingual surface also will be seen. Now going to the last aspect, that is the incisal aspect. This is a labial surface, lingual surface, mesial, and the distal surface. Here comes the incisal ridge, mesio-incisal angle, disto-incisal angle, mesial marginal ridge, distal marginal ridge, cingulum, and the lingual fossa. Now let us go to the identification features. It's a tooth with asymmetrical crown, trapezoidal form labially, rounded incisal ridge, round mesoincisal angle, and more rounded distoincisal angle. The crown converges lingually with more prominent cingulum, more pronounced marginal ridges, and deeper lingual fossa. It has a single conical root, which may show distal curvature at the apical end. So that's all about a brief discussion on permanent maxillary lateral incisor. Thank you.